أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. How are you all wonderful students of Secondary 3 of Al-Irsyad Satya Islamic School? Alhamdulillah, we meet again in Islamic Studies lesson in semester 2 this academic year. Let's start our lesson by reciting the dua. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma aftah lana hikmataka wansur alayna min khazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Allahumma nawwir qalbi binuri hidayatika kama nawwartal arda binuri syamsika abadan abada birahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma wa amalan salihan mutaqabbalan amin amin ya mujibas sa'ilin. The lesson of the beginning of the semester is always Quranic passages from Holy Al-Quran, and there are two verses, and one of them is taken from Surah Fussilat. Fussilat is also known as Surah Hamim. This surah in Al-Quran is number 41, and the passage that we are going to study is Ayah 37. The special learning objective of the lesson today. So after the lesson ends, then you are expected to be, number one, recite and memorize the ayah. Since the ayah is not so long, it's very short. The second, you are able to explain the theme of the passage or the verse. Now we memorize the ayah. A'udzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Listen 3 times. Wa min ayatihi al-lailu wan-naharu wa min ayatihi al-lailu wan-naharu wa min ayatihi al-lailu wan-naharu. Once more. Wa min ayatihi al-lailu wan-naharu. Your turn. Very good. The next. Wash-shamsu wal-qamaru. Wash-shamsu wal-qamaru. Wash-shamsu wal-qamaru. Very good. I combine the first and the second parts of the ayah. وَمِنْ آيَاتِهِ اللَّيْلُ وَالنَّهَارُ وَالشَّمْسُ وَالْقَمَرُ وَمِنْ آيَاتِهِ اللَّيْلُ وَالنَّهَارُ وَالشَّمْسُ وَالْقَمَرُ وَمِنْ آيَاتِهِ اللَّيْلُ وَالنَّهَارُ وَالشَّمْسُ وَالْقَمَرُ. Alhamdulillah. Okay, the next after this. لا تسجدوا للشمس ولا للقمر. Listen again. لا تسجدوا للشمس ولا للقمر. لا تسجدوا للشمس ولا للقمر. Okay, try. Okay. Very good. I start from the beginning. وَمِنْ آيَاتِهِ اللَّيْلُ وَالنَّهَارُ وَالشَّمْسُ وَالْقَمَرُ لَا تَسْجُدُوا لِلشَّمْسِ وَلَا لِلْقَمَرِ. Try. Okay, Alhamdulillah. Once, only once. Okay, no problem. Next. وَاسْجُدُوا لِلَّهِ الَّذِي خَلَقَهُنَّ. Listen. وَاسْجُدُوا لِلَّهِ الَّذِي خَلَقَهُنَّ. وَاسْجُدُوا لِلَّهِ الَّذِي خَلَقَهُنَّ. Try. Again. Okay. Alhamdulillah. The last part. إن كنتم إياه تعبدون. إن كنتم إياه تعبدون. إن كنتم إياه تعبدون. Okay. 2. Try again. Okay. 2 sentences of this ayah. The last one. The last 2 sentences of the ayah. وَاسْجُدُوا لِلَّهِ الَّذِي خَلَقَهُنَّ إِن كُنتُمْ إِيَّاهُ تَعْبُدُونَ. Listen again. وَاسْجُدُوا لِلَّهِ الَّذِي خَلَقَهُنَّ إِن كُنتُمْ إِيَّاهُ تَعْبُدُونَ. Listen again. وَاسْجُدُوا لِلَّهِ الَّذِي خَلَقَهُنَّ إِن كُنتُمْ إِيَّاهُ تَعْبُدُونَ. Try. Again. Okay. Alhamdulillah. And this is the whole ayah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. وَمِنْ آيَاتِهِ اللَّيْلُ وَالنَّهَارُ وَالشَّمْسُ وَالْقَمَرُ لَا تَسْجُدُوا لِلشَّمْسِ وَلَا لِلْقَمَرِ وَاسْجُدُوا لِلَّهِ الَّذِي خَلَقَهُنَّ إِن كُنتُمْ إِيَّاهُ تَعْبُدُونَ. Alhamdulillah. The translation of this ayah. Among his signs are the night and the day. وَمِنْ آيَاتِهِ, among his signs, al-laylu wan-nahar, are the night and the day. وَالشَّمْسُ wal-qamar, and the sun and the moon. لَا تَسْجُدُوا لِلشَّمْسِ وَلَا لِلْقَمَرِ, adore not the sun and the moon. وَاسْجُدُوا لِلَّهِ الَّذِي خَلَقَهُنَّ, but adore Allah who created them. إِن كُنْتُمْ إِيَّاهُ تَعْبُدُونَ, if it is Him you wish to serve. Fussilat, Surah number 41, verse 37. And now we are studying the theme of the ayah. I'd like to divide this theme into 3 parts. The first part, there are some keywords. Okay? The first words is makan, signs, in the plural form, signs, phenomenon, unity, majesty, divinity. Divinity. How is the sentence from these 6 words? This verse is from Surah Fussilat, or it is called also Hamim, an early Makkah surah. It describes the theme of God in Himself. It mentions some of the signs and phenomena of nature that reflect God's unity and majesty. It refers to the cycles of day and night as evidence of divinity. Okay, continue to the second part. There are 3 keywords in second part. Number 1, behold, behold, alternation, 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 wise, wise, wise. The Quran supports it elsewhere as, behold, in the creation of the heavens and earth, in the alternation of the night and the day, are a sign for the people who are wise. This is the supporting ayah from Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 164. Only 2 keywords: worship, superior. Worship and superior. Okay, how is it? The third part. The passage commands us to worship the Creator of the sun and the moon, and not the creations themselves, because the Creator is always superior to the creations. The whole paragraph of the theme is, the verse is from Surah Fussilat, Hamim, an early Makkah surah. It describes the theme of God in Himself. It mentions some of the signs and phenomena of nature that reflect God's unity and majesty. It refers to the cycles of day and night as evidence of divinity. The Quran supports it elsewhere as, behold, in the creation of the heavens and the earth, in the alternation of the night and the day, are signs for the people who are wise. Al-Baqarah 164. The passage commands us to worship the Creator of the sun and the moon, and not the creations themselves, because the Creator is always superior to the creations. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Let's close the lesson today by reciting Kafaratul Majlis. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Wa sallallahu ala sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam. Walhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. See you in the next lesson, inshallah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.